Turn the heaters off or not. Welcome back to another video. It is Saturday. It is currently 6:15. We're just on our way into the yard now. I'm gonna get some food on the way in first. Meet a couple of drivers today. We're gonna get the trucks nice and polished and clean because this winter salt on the road and the grit is eating into the paintwork. So we're gonna get the trucks polished, get hooked up, make sure our load's ready, and spend a couple of hours down the yard then. So this is what we do on a Saturday. So this is Trucker Boy Day does a Saturday. So yeah, here we go, let's get in. So we're in the yard now. Drone, a few lads are in washing. Let's go and say hello.
Live on camera, do not swear.
Tipton Terror is here.
Tipton Terrier. The Cabbage. Tony Sailor.
The Prince of Penn's next.
The Prince of Penn's here, everybody. We are live, do not swear.
So, like we say, oi pal. Just in the yard now, gonna over the truck, get polished off. Well, already started polishing up, I left the camera in the car, so here we go.
Already started. The Prince of Penn's net.
So yeah, let's crack on polishing. So that's all the polishing done, cleaning. All three of us have come in today because the salt and that was horrendous, so we've all come and had a good clean. So now just sat in the truck. I'm going to go and hook up our trailers and that now, but not before we can go on our little drive on the estate and get a little bit of footage of the truck spotless. So here we go. Charlie, tell me what you think about this truck.
The front of it.
What about the front of it?
It's good.
It's good. Talk properly. So what do you think about the truck? Come on, tell everyone.
The steering wheel looks good.
The steering wheel looks good, really. I mean, is that it? Thanks. Well, everyone, this has been Trucker by Day. Please like and subscribe. It's just a little video this week. Get some footage the week coming now, because I'm up to Newcastle. So, yep, here we go. Say like and subscribe.
I'm going to subscribe.
Say this is Trucker by Day.
Trucker by Day.
Peace.